Okay, question 5. A spherical fish bowl of radius 30 centimeter contains water of refractive index 1.33. So a small goldfish is 10 centimeter from the front wall of the bowl. So where will the goldfish appear to be for an observer at the front wall of the bowl? So the effect of thin glass wall is negligible. So what we need to use in this equation to solve this is still this equation lah. I don't remember. Is it Landsmaker's equation? Kau dito na nama. Ada ba kan? It's just that it doesn't have a name. Landsmaker's equation is this for our third subtopic. Okay, so it's not that. Alright, so this equation, n2 over v equal to n2 minus n1 over r. Okay, so now the object is this is the goldfish. Okay, so this is the goldfish. So the object distance is 10 centimeter from the wall, and then we have to find the image of the distance, and then apa sesebut tadi, image of the distance, what? Okay, and then so the radius of curvature for this one is, since we will be looking at for the observer at the front wall, so the radius of curvature should be negative 30 centimeter lah. Okay, right? So if you are confused, just trying to look at the notes back. So the radius of curvature is negative is because now the center of curvature that we are looking at is in the less dense medium, which is A lah, okay, which is A. Boleh faham ka? I'm not sure if you can understand this. Okay, so basically the observer is here, okay? So the center of curvature is gonna be in the less dense medium, which is here lah. So this is C because N1, sorry, not N1. The first medium is from the water, which is equal to 1.33. Next one is gonna be the A, okay? So we are gonna look from the A punya side. So it's gonna be at the less dense medium. So it would be a negative value, okay? This one. Okay. Boleh faham tak kamu ni? I guess, right? It's okay lah. Okay, so we are just gonna use directly this equation. So you will then put, this is gonna be 1.33 divided by 10 plus 1 over v equal to 1 minus 1.33. This is going to be negative 30. So v is going to be equal to negative 8.2 centimeter. Alright, so that is the image distance from the front wall. So from the front wall here, this is the image distance. Okay, alright, now question B. If the fish bowl is placed near a window where it will receive evening light, is there any risk that the eyes of the goldfish may be damaged? So this answer is gonna be so the sunlight punya distance is at an infinity lah kan? So n1 over u plus n2 over v, n2 minus n1 over r. So basically at this point, the object is now the sun. So the sun is the object. So basically the distance of the sun with the fishbowl is at an infinity lah, okay, if we are considering the sun. Okay, so n1 is gonna be A because that is the first medium. So this is gonna be at infinity, and then this is gonna be 1.33 v. So 1.33 minus 1, r is gonna be 30 centimeter because that is the radius of the fishbowl, and then it would be positive. It would be positive because now the center of curvature is in the denser medium. Okay, so now it's gonna be equal to v equal to 120.9 centimeter. Okay, so now if we look at this, the fishbowl punya diameter is only 60 centimeter. So the image of the sun is formed outside of this bowl. So if it is formed outside of the bowl, there would be no harm to the fish lah. So jawapan dia no harm, because image of the sun is formed outside the bowl. Malas pula mo tuliskan. Okay, boleh faham na to. Right, so now that is the solution for question number 5.